we're going to start with Pam's shop. She is our first person off to the races today. So let me share my screen. And Pam, her shop, let's see, looks like an art shop, Abstract Florals. Share the screen here. All right. Okay, so we got Pam Hillar. She got Bella Flori Photo, Abstract Florals, Samsung TV Art. That's so interesting. Now that's interesting. Are you the owner of a Samsung Frame TV and are searching for interesting art for your TV? Wow, I didn't even know you could do that. That makes a lot of sense, though. I've seen these recently. Yeah, these TVs where you can get the art on it. My TV actually has a screensaver now, but it's my TV. I'll tell you, it's brand new, but that thing is pissing me off. The people talking gets out of sync all the time with the audio, so I got to restart it all the time. You know, technology. They say it's getting better, but sometimes you wonder. I like this idea though, Pam. This is smart, and I think you're definitely hitting a niche market. You know, it's kind of untapped, I would think. So this is pretty clever. I don't know how big this market is, if there's a lot of people looking for it. Let's check out your keywords here. Digital Samsung art. Look at that, 18,926 results. A lot of people here with Samsung Frame TV art. So definitely looks like you've got a thriving, you know, market for this, which is cool because this is kind of a new idea. I hadn't really heard of this before. So I like it. I think your artwork is really pretty. Your photos look fantastic, very bright, beautiful. And I like that I can see them right here from the thumbnail. They really stand out. They look good. They look strong. The colors are good. It's crisp. It's clear. That's one of the most important things, guys. You got to get your pictures nice, bright, and clear, and showing off your product the best way possible. And I think you've definitely done that. Now, yeah, overall, your shop is looking great. You got a banner. You got a nice logo. There's your face there, smiling at them. You got good-looking products. I love a fair with nature. All the details look good, and I think your keywords are on point as well. So you've done your homework here. Let's see here, listed on July 30th. So that's a pretty good publication date there. I would say for your new listings here, so it looks like you are, 18,926 results is really good. Banner done by your people. Glad to hear that. I always like that when I hear that. That's good to see. So one thing I'd recommend, Pam, is to renew your listings like mad. So with 18,926 results, you're in a fairly competitive niche. You know, there's a lot of people in here selling stuff for the frames, the frame art. Let's see, and this one listed on August 5th. So that means they just renewed that one yesterday. Let's check the next one here. Same thing, listed on August 5th. So to skyrocket your shop, to really blow it out there and get your listings out into the atmosphere, my recommendation would be to just do like a renewal campaign. Just keep these things just renewed like crazy. Like this one here, July 17th, that's already too old. You know, you're like 3 weeks old. So I would recommend literally take your favorite listings and you could renew them every single day. Let's say you wanted to spend $1 a day, $1 divided by 20 cents. That's going to give you 5 listings. If you did that for 10 days, you'd spend $10 and you'd probably start getting some sales, because that's what it's going to take to get your listings out and ranking for these keywords, starting to get ranked for these Samsung frame TV and these different keywords here. You're going to have to renew your listings a lot. And when you do that, it will boost it. So one of the ways to do that is literally you could come in. I like this one particularly. I think this one's really pretty. I like this one. This is my favorite. I would come to this listing and I would log in and renew this every single one. Your mom's favorite too? Well, this one's the winner then. I think this is going to be your first sale. Renew this listing every single day for 2 weeks, and I bet you'll start seeing some sales. And yeah, that will cost you a few bucks. If you do it every single day for 2 weeks, it will cost you $2.80. But it'll sell for $5.99. You make your money back, and then once you get that first sale, you'll be able to make the next sales more easily and keep it going, keep it going. So love the shop, Pam. Thanks for sending it, and I think you're doing a good job there.